Hello everyone, this is Megha from Truweight, and today I'm talking to Mrs. Tanuja Umashankar, and she's from Bangalore. She was a member last year, and Tanuja, please share something about you and about your Truweight experience.
I am Tanuja. I am a teacher by profession.
Mm-hmm.
I came to know about Truweight through YouTube app.
Uh-huh.
Really very grateful to Truweight, and I am grateful to Vishnu sir and Megha ma'am and
Thank you.
coach
Uh-huh.
Harshita.
Uh-huh.
They all motivated me to lose weight through the healthy way.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere I did not find I am feeling tired or I am not doing anything. I was eating sweets also. They have designed the program like that. Everything you are getting sweets also, granola bar, everything I am eating. Then also I am losing weight. This is what bonus for you, bonus for me. I am eating sweets. Instead of that also I am losing weight.
Yes, that's the.
Anywhere I did not see any app like that,
Mhm.
designed like that.
Mhm.
Anywhere you will not feel like that you are doing dieting.
Mhm. Thanks for sharing that. You were also sharing earlier that how you were focused more on exercise. Could you tell us more about that again?
Yeah, from past 4 years, I was working in gym. I was
Mhm.
doing intense workouts. I
Mhm.
was doing intense workouts like CrossFit, acute training,
Mhm.
tire flip, ropes, everything I was
Mhm.
doing. But I was not having proper nutrition and proper food. So I wanted anyone to guide me. So I was not feeling tired. I was having
Mhm.
low BP and I had hemoglobin problem. So I
Mhm.
was feeling tired. Most of the time I
Mhm.
was feeling tired. So
Mhm.
after coming to joining True Weight, I never feel tired. I was on a healthiest way of losing weight,
Very good. You continued with your exercises. Right now, you're continuing.
but not intense workouts.
Mhm.
Workouts, it is only 20%. I was going for Zumba. Nowadays, I have started for Zumba, and workouts, it is minimum. Why? Because I
Mhm.
am doing more of diets and more of food. I am concentrating more on diet.
Okay.
In
Okay.
lockdown period, I am
Mhm.
doing in home workout. Home workouts I am doing, not intense training.
Okay, fine. You mentioned you had some BP issues before you joined TrueWeight. Could you elaborate a
Yeah,
little more on that?
I had low BP, I had
Mm-hmm.
hemoglobin problem. So
Mm-hmm.
I was afraid of losing weight. Anywhere I feel tired or I feel giddy or may faint because
Mm-hmm.
of dieting or
Mm-hmm.
losing weight. So in
Mm-hmm.
True Weight, they had guided me. My coach Harshita, I am very thankful to her. She had guided me. Every time she used to motivate me, have healthy meals persistently at regular
Mm-hmm.
intervals. So I
Mm-hmm.
did not feel tired or I was having everything healthy options. And a bonus for that is weight loss. I'm
Very
very
good.
happy with True Weight.
Very good. And that's the best thing that you've said, that if you continue eating healthy and exercising, then the bonus will be weight loss. You should stop running after weight loss. Run after healthy nutrition and weight loss will follow. So thank you for sharing
And
that.
thanks for True Weight for making my dream come true. This was my dream come true of losing weight. I have lost 13 to 14 kgs. It was
Uh-huh.
really amazing experience with True Weight.
Thank you. So, Tanuja, can you tell us about top three changes that you've made in your lifestyle, not just in food, but in your lifestyle since True Weight and how it has helped? Maybe you or someone in your family, how has it been?
My son, he likes all
Mhm.
your True Weight. Where you have designed quinoa dal dosa, granular
Uh-huh.
bar, shake a day is one of my favorite.
Mhm.
And what you have designed is healthy meals, nutritious meals. What Vishnu
Mhm.
sir is telling is
Mhm.
don't concentrate on calories, count
Mhm.
your nutrients. That is the
Mhm.
main change, important change what I have done. And
Mhm.
having meals at regular intervals so that
Mhm.
your body will not be deprived of any nutrient. And I was
Mhm.
having low sugar. I was
Mhm.
not having my meals at regular intervals. Now
Mhm.
every 3 hours I will have something healthy or the other. So I
Okay.
will not tired anywhere.
Mhm.
Number three is I have become a great fan of True Weight. That is my lifelong. I will not forget this experience. My life, what one of the best decision I have taken in my life to join True Weight.
Great, great. Recently, have you visited the app? We've launched a new course on immunity because right now, in the times of COVID-19, it's very important to fortify ourselves with the right nutrition. So, we've launched a
Yeah,
course on immunity, which is a free course. So, I would urge you to just go through it once. You may
I
learn
got
a
a
few more
certificate
things.
also.
Oh, nice, nice.
It's also very amazing that Vishnu sir
Uh-huh.
has explained through
Mhm.
what animated characters.
Mhm. Mhm.
Children also will like to watch about that, but it's very
Mhm.
amazing, so you
Mhm.
can understand it is not like boring lecture. It is
Yes.
like an small video, and it is interesting also. I
Mhm.
got my certificate also.
Great, great.
Thank
So
you for
please
Vishnu sir.
pass it on. Thank you. I'll tell him that. And please pass it on to others because we want to educate as many people as possible. We can't keep waiting for a vaccine. We have to take care of our bodies before the vaccine is here. So please
Yeah.
pass it on. So it's been great talking to you. Anything you would want to say to the viewers? Any tips? Any message?
I want to thank Vishnu sir and Mega ma'am and Suhasri ma'am and especially my coach Harshita for introducing such an amazing app like Truweight, where it is scientifically designed weight loss program. Anywhere you will not feel you are doing dieting or something. You are having nutritious meals. You are getting knowledge about what are the nutrients your body needs. Everything. I want all of you to join Truweight if you really want to lose your weight healthily.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, what you people are doing are fantastic. Really, you're motivating people and you're doing a noble cause. Really, it's a very good what initiative for the society. What you have taken.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
you
Thank
and
you.
Vishnu sir.
Thank you, Tanuja. I would urge you to pass this on. Let more people be aware about our app and let more people benefit from it. And nothing gives us more happiness than meeting people like you who've seen a positive result through this. So thank you for making my day.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.